Assalamualaikum, dear student of class 6. I hope that you are all fine and welcome to my period. So I think, is everybody ready to start? Yes, okay, very good. Now today our work is to solve the exercises. Page number 59. Page number 59. Okay, let's start our work. Okay, yes. Now page number 59. Write in the missing words. Write in the missing words. You will find them in the story. First of all, you will read this lesson 11, and after you will find yourself to solve this exercise number 8. Now page number exercise A, you will solve yourself because it's very simple, and first you will read this lesson, this story, means lesson 11. So now exercise B, page number 60. Here is the list of words taken from the story. Here is the list of words taken from the story. By each one, write a word or phrase with similar meaning taken from the second list. Okay, means is similar meaning, same meaning. Now first word, 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 and now similar meaning. Okay, first word is rich. Rich means Amir. Rich means Amir. Okay, rich. Same meaning is that wealthy. Okay, wealthy. Now second word is skillful. Skillful, able to do something well. Okay, able to do something well. Okay, now second word, sick. Same meaning, ill. And now pray. Say prayer. Say prayers. Now leaper. Leaper. Okay, sorry. Now a person suffering from leprosy. Okay, now third is death, disease. illness. Okay, now last, terrified. Very frightened. Okay, so now first of all, rich, wealthy, skillful, able to do something well, sick, ill, pray, say prayers, leper, a person suffering from leprosy, disease, illness, terrified, very frightened. Okay, now exercise number C. Look up these words in your dictionary. Merchant, vapari, robe, libas, sandals, sandals, girdle, kamarban, leper, bimar, name, purse, purse, preach, khutbo. Okay, now pronunciation, table A, B, C, D and E. You will read yourself. And now exercise, written exercises. So first of all, we will learn tenses. Okay. First, tense. Tense, time, and verb. Okay. Now first we will learn tense. Tense means, tense is taken from Latin word tempus, which means time. What means beta? Time. Time. And पुटे ॾिसो टेंशन में असां त हिकु त टाइम जी ख़बर पवंदी आहे, सिर्फ़ु टाइम जी न, उन सां गॾु असांखे इन शइ जी बि ख़बर पवणु घुरिजे। टेंस असांखे हिकु त वक़्तु ॿुधाईंदो आहे, ॿियो वर्क ॿुधाईंदो आहे त कमु बि कहिड़े तरीक़े वारो थी रहियो आहे, कहिड़ी कंडीशन वर्क जी आहे। सो पुटे टुडे वी लर्न first. Now the tense are three, main three tenses. First, present and past and future. Present पुट हलंदड़, past जेका शइ गुज़री वई, जेको गुज़री वियो सो गुज़री वियो, and future मुस्तक़बिल पुट। जीअं तव्हां डॉक्टर थींदव या इंजीनियर थींदव, मीन्स तव्हांजी विश आहे, तव्हांजी डिज़ायर्स आहिनि, तव्हांजी ख़्वाहिशूं आहिनि, उहे छा आहिनि, ईंदड़ वक़्तु लाइ आहिनि, त फ्यूचर। सो फर्स्ट वी विल लर्न प्रेजेंट टेंस। टेंस फर्स्ट वी विल लर्न प्रेजेंट टेंस। प्रेजेंट मीन्स हलंदड़, प्रेजेंट मीन्स हलंदड़। व्हेनेवर पॉइंट्स to an action, whenever points to an action, whenever points to an action that is done to a present moment, at the present moment, at the present moment is called present tense. Now beta when and verb points to an action, माना verb जी हालत जेका असांजे जेका इशारो करे थी वर्ब कम ॾांहुं, that is done जेको थिए थो शामे पुट present moment, हलंदड़ टाइम में, हलंदड़ वक़्त में त असां उनखे छा चवंदा आहियूं, प्रेजेंट टेंस। प्रेजेंट टेंस। नाउ बेटा We use in present tense in assertive sentence we use first form of main verb. Okay. And we use a helping verb do or does. Okay. And we use name से यहाँ yes. Okay beta. Now some rules in assertive names we use first form of main verb. Verb means work, and helping verb is present tense of do and does. He, she, it are singular names means third person. So we use first form of main verb plus yes. Means बाबा हेरे ॾिसो जेके बयानी जुमला हूंदा आहिनि असां उन्हनि में कीअं ख़बर पवे त ही प्रेजेंट टेंस जो जुमिलो आहे या पास्ट जो आहे फ्यूचर टेंस जो आहे। जॾहिं पुट जंहिं बि जुमिले में वर्ब जी मेन वर्ब जेको वर्क हूंदो आहे उनजी कहिड़ी फॉर्म हुजे फर्स्ट फॉर्म हुजे त उहो प्रेजेंट टेंस जो सेंटेंस हूंदो आहे। ऐं उनजा हेल्पिंग वर्ब पुट हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स मीन से ओके मददगार फेल उहे कहिड़ा आहिनि डू ऐं डस। पर जेकॾहिं असर्टिव सेंटेंस में सब्जेक्ट ही शी इट या सिंगुलर अकेलो नेम हुजे उहो कहिड़ो हुजे पुट थर्ड पर्सन त उते असां छा यूज़ कंदासीं उन मेन वर्ब सां गॾु एस या एस यूज़ कंदासीं। थर्ड पर्सन कीअं पुट फर्स्ट पर्सन सेकेंड पर्सन एंड थर्ड पर्सन। फर्स्ट पर्सन स्पीकिंग टू speaks who speaks and second person speaking to and third person spoken of means first person जेको ॻाल्हाए रहियो आहे second person जेको ॿुधी रहियो आहे ऐं third person जंहिंजे बारे में ॻाल्हाए रहियो आहे। राइट बेटा means चलो structure of okay first subject plus main verb plus एस या ई एस हो जॾहिं थर्ड पर्सन लास्ट object right subject doer of work verb is work and object bear of work. Okay, now first मां अंब खावां थो या थी। ऐं पुट हिकु आम जनरल रूल हूंदो आहे, जीअं जुमिले जे लास्ट में थो, था, थी, थियूं वग़ैरह अचनि त असां छा सम्झंदा आहियूं प्रेज़ेंट टेंस जो ता है, ती है, तू है। बेटा अब ॾिसो थो, था, थी, फर्स्ट वी राइट सब्जेक्ट। विच सब्जेक्ट इन दिस सेंटेंस? ओके, सो वी राइट आई। ठीक है बेटा, आई वर्क इन दिस सेंटेंस। विच वर्ब इन दिस सेंटेंस? खावा। ठीक है पुत्र, खाने की छा चइबो इंग्लिश में? ईट। ईट छा थो खावां? ऑब्जेक्ट। ओके, आई ईट एन आई ईट मैंगो। ओके बेटा, हिन में एस या एस मिलाईंदासीं बाबा? न, एस या एस न मिलाइनि, छाकाणि त असांजो हिते छा आहे, कम जो कंदड़ आहे, सिंगुलर न आहे पुट, फर्स्ट पर्सन आहे। छा आहे पुट? फर्स्ट पर्सन आहे, त असां हिन खे न मिलाईंदासीं एस या एस। नाउ हू सबक पढ़े थो। ओके, थो आहे त हू। विच सब्जेक्ट इन दिस सेंटेंस? हू मीन्स ही। विच वर्ब? पढ़े, पढ़ने के छा चइबो आहे? रीड। ही रीड छा थो पढ़े? लेसन। ओके, सो नाउ वी एड SRES in this sentence. Yes, why? He is a subject, also third person. Okay beta, now change into interrogative and negative. Interrogative, first helping verb plus subject plus main verb and plus what beta? Object. Okay, same. मां अंब खावां तो शा मां अंब खावा थी या तो? Question mark. Now first of all, helping verb. Which helping verb in this sentence? Do and does. I some. Do I eat a mango? Okay beta. Question mark. You will fail. Put necessary. And now negative. ऐं हिन ई पुट सेंटेंस के इंट्रोगेटिव कंदव छा कंदव? डज़ ही ईट डज़ ही रीड अ लेसन? त एस छा थी वेंदी? कैंसिल थी वेंदी। जॾहिं तव्हां सवाल ई कंदव पुट इंट्रोगेटिव कंदव त उते एस कैंसिल थी वेंदी। ओके, दिस इज़ रॉन्ग. Right beta? So now this is a present simple tense and oh sorry beta, I, we, you, they, and plural names we use do. He, she, it, and singular names use does. Okay. ठीक है बाबा. Now this is a simple present tense. So your exercise, page number 61. Written exercise, rewrite these sentences so that they are about the past. Past putra guzriyal means when a verb points to an action that was done in past time, that is called past tense. Was done in the point past time is said to be the past tense. Right beta? So we use in assertive sentence second form of verb. Right beta? Second form of verb. But tomorrow or today we have learned present simple tense. Present simple tense. And present simple tense, when a verb points to an action that is done at the present moment या present time. यहाँ such a form of verb shows that subject done his work in present time. That is called present tense. Helping verbs are present simple tense, do and does. In assertive sentence we use first form of main verb. He, she, it and singular names are third person. So we use first form of main verb plus s or es. And I, we, you. And plural names we use which helping verb do. And singular names in third person we use does. Structure of assertive sentence and structure of interrogative sentence. And structure of negative, so we use negative. Do I not eat a mango? Right beta? Tomorrow. Now present tense, when a verb points to an action that is done at the present moment. यानी पुट प्रेजेंट टेंस असां चवंदा आहियूं हलंदड़ वक़्त खे. टेंस में पुट सिर्फ़ु असांखे टाइम न ॿुधायो वेंदो आहे, टाइम जी ख़बर न आहे पवंदी. पुट उन में असांखे टाइम सां गॾोगॾु वर्क जी बि ख़बर पवंदी आहे, कम जी बि ख़बर पवंदी आहे त कमु कहिड़े मतिलबु कहिड़ो थी रहियो आहे, थिए थो, थी रहियो आहे या थींदो. राइट पुट? त ॾिसो हिननि जुमलनि में ईट, आई ईट मैंगो. ईट माना खाइण, माना हिनमहिल खाइण वारो कमु थी रहियो आहे. राइट पुट? त असांजो मीन्स कमु हथो था थी थियूं. सिंपल रूल आहे इहो हिकिड़ो, असां हिकु पंहिंजे सम्झण लाइ रटणी ॻाल्हि न आहे पुट. जॾहिं बि तव्हांजे इंग्लिश सेंटेंस में फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब हुजे ऐं अगरि थर्ड पर्सन आहे त उन वर्ब सां गॾु मेन वर्ब सां गॾु एस या एस जो इज़ाफ़ो थियल हूंदो आहे, त उहो तव्हांजो कहिड़ो टेंस में ॻाल्हि कई वेंदी आहे, उहो कमु हूंदो आहे सिंपल प्रेज़ेंट टेंस. Right beta? So today we have learned simple present tense. Simple present tense. Now 61 page number, rewrite these sentences so that they are about the past. Past means putra guzriyal, means when a verb points to an action that was done, that was done in the past time, it is said to be a past simple tense. यहाँ such a form of verb shows that subject did his work in past time. Right? That is called simple past tense. Only and in assertive sentence we use second form of verb. Second form of main verb. And helping verb of past simple tense only one, yani did. We use all pronouns. First person, second person, third person, singular and plural, we use only did. Why? Because it had only one helping verb, did. So we use all pronouns did. And change into interrogative, same rules. Now change into past tense. He read. Read is the first form and also second form is read. So now this exercise is Use any of the phrase in the last columns of the tables. Be very careful about the spelling. She smiles at me every day. Smiles, smiles means मुस्कुराई थी. She smiles, smile to smile, मुस्कुराए, smiles मुस्कुराई थी. Why? Because this sentence is in present simple tense. She smiles, first form of verb, and also used in the sentence is. Right? So at me every day. Now change into past tense. So past tense we use second form of main verb. Use second form of main verb. So in this sentence main verb is smiles, smile, and a second form of smile, smiled, smiled. So she smiled at me every day. Every day show the present tense, every day, and yesterday morning. Every day change into yesterday morning. So she smiled at me yesterday morning. Now the girls do their homework in the evenings. In the evenings the girls do. Do means can, and a second form of do is did. Now the girls did their homework in the last night. Evening change into last night. They wait for me every morning. They wait for me every morning. They waited. Wait is the first form and second form is waited. They waited for me every morning. Yesterday morning. Okay. So this exercise today we have learned simple present tense. Tomorrow, inshallah, we will learn past simple tense. So thank you so much, and Allah Hafiz.